So I'm Andy from MrYouWho. Who tests it for you? MrYouWho. Real testing, real demos, real reviews, and real results. In this video, guys, we'll unbox it, set it up, get it connected, map the apartment, we'll test it on tiles, test it on the carpet, we'll give it sand, crumbs, coffee, ketchup, we'll test the obstacle avoidance, we'll show you the roller map, and we'll test the self-cleaning base, and we'll see whether this thing can actually keep the floors clean in a real Gold Coast apartment. And guys, remember, if you love our real world testing, make sure you like and subscribe and let us know what you think. All your support enables us to do all these videos. All right, let's get into it. So inside you've got the Lefant M5 Pro robot, the self-cleaning base, the clean and dirty water tanks, dust bag, brushes, roller mop system, power cable, manuals, and everything you need to get started. Now, as you can see here, the robot itself looks clean and modern. And the base station looks good enough to sit out in the apartment, which matters because it's not something you want to drag in and out of a cupboard. Setup is simple. Dock against the wall, plug it in, fill the clean water tank, make sure the dirty water tank is empty, put the robot on charge and connect it through a Lefant app. Now this one supports both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, which is good because smart home setup can be painful when products only work on one band. I got it connected, opened the app and sent it out to map the apartment. And this is the thing I first check with any robot vacuum. You see guys, if the map is useless, the robot becomes annoying. The M5 Pro uses LiDAR. So it goes around the apartment, works out the room layout and builds a map in the app using the actual robot itself. Here I've got tiles, carpet, the kitchen, the living area, furniture, the hallway, and spots where sand seems to magically appear every single day. Now, as you can see, it maps really well. So it goes around, uses a LiDAR based in it to go and map it, and builds it right in your app. Now once the map is done, you can split rooms, name areas, set schedules, set no-go zones, adjust suction, etc. Actually, we're gonna use the app later and show you exactly how it works, but let's go and do some tests first. So to start with the Gold Coast test, sand. This is a mess I deal with all the time. You walk in from the beach and it's on your feet, on the tiles near the door, and through the whole living area. So I've put beach sand down here on the tiles, and I'm setting a Lefant M5 Pro over it. So let's go and see how it works just now. Now as you can see, this has 1800 PA suction, and you can see it pulling up through the sand and grit instead of just pushing it around. That's exactly what I want to see, because if a robot misses sand, you feel it under your feet straight away. And didn't that work quite well? Now the second one is crumbs. Now this is kitchen mess. Cereal, toast, chips, whatever's on the floor, you're not paying attention. So guys, I'm going to put some of this on the tiles now and send the robot across to see what it does. This is MrYouWho, and we do things a little differently. We don't review products in a studio, we test them in the real world. Here on the beach, at the gym, here on the water, while exercising, driving around, whether I'm running here on the Gold Coast, out and about, so you don't have to. Real world testing, real reviews, real results. Subscribe, hit notifications, and check out our giveaways. Link is always in the description. And who tests it for you? MrYouWho. So there you go again. It's a good clean. It pulls the crumbs in, works through the area, and it doesn't leave a trail behind. It worked very, very well. Now the final one is the mop. Now the Lefant M5 Pro, as you can see there, uses a freshwater brush mop. So instead of just dragging a damp pad around underneath, it has a roller brush with water coming through it while it cleans. Lefant says there are 16 water outlets. So the idea is clean water goes into the roller during the clean, while dirty water is removed. And I think that is an absolutely brilliant idea. So let's see the coffee now. So there's a bit of coffee there, not a giant puddle, just the kind of mark that actually happens when you're carrying coffee, making lunch or rushing around the apartment. Let's see what it does. So guys, there you go, that's what I want to see. It's scrubbing with a roller, not just lightly wiping the top. Lefant says the roller spins at 280 revolutions per minute and applies downward pressure. You can see it working the mark instead of just smearing it around. Now another one is carpet detection. So not only does it do hardwood floors and carpet, but also if a robot drags a wet roller across carpet, that's a problem. So the M5 Pro has smart carpet detection. When it detects carpet, it increases suction and lifts the roller up. That means you can run it through mixed floors without constant worrying about wetting the carpet, which I think is absolutely great, isn't it? Now under the furniture. The robot has a low body profile, so it can fit under furniture where dust and sand collect. I'm setting under here to see how it gets in. There you go. Doesn't it work well? And this is stuff that builds up when you don't notice it. Under the couch, under cabinets, under low furniture. If I get under there, it's just less manual cleaning for me. Now finally goes, what I love to do is obstacle avoidance. Now what I'll do is make sure that this can actually get around different obstacles and still work. So let's put some shoes on there, some thongs, a couple of objects. I'm not making it possible. I just want to see if it can move around normal apartment mess without smashing into everything. As you can see guys, it does a decent job here. It sees the objects, works around them, and keeps cleaning. You want to pick up any tiny cables and small things before the robot cleans, but for normal stuff around the apartment, this is much better than a dumb robot just plowing into everything. Right, so clean is finished and it's heading back to the base. This is where the M5 Pro does the boring stuff for you. It empties the dust, washes a roller with hot water, deals with the dirty water, refills clean water, and then dries the mop. It's great. Now guys, I don't have to pull a dirty mop out, empty a little robot bin every clean, and leaving a wet mop sitting there smelling. That is the point of having a proper base station. And you can actually hear it emptying the dust. It is a little bit of noise for a few seconds, like every self-emptying robot, but then there's none. The other thing as well with the wash mop as well, it is washed using 75-degree hot water. That helps dissolve grease, dirt, and stains from the mop more effectively during the cleaning process. And that is dried using cold air drying. So it not only helps reduce odors, but also avoids the potential damage that hot air drying can use. As a result, the mop stays better condition and lasts longer. There's a few ways you can use the Lefant Pro 5. Notice you have app controls, which we use, but also supports Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Watch integration, which allows you to do all the things that you can do on the apps, such as scheduling, suction adjustment, mopping, etc. This is a great feature and means you can control it exactly how you want, which I think is absolutely critical. Now guys, let's jump across and have a look at the app. Now the app is where you control everything. I can choose a room, send it back to the kitchen, set a schedule, change suction, change mopping strength, set no-go zones, set no mop zones, change how often it washes the mop, and check the cleaning history. So for me, I have this running in the main living area most days, then spot clean the kitchen or entry when I'm back from the beach or drop something. So after testing the Lefant M5 Pro with sand, crumbs, coffee, carpet, furniture, obstacles, and a self-cleaning base, this is where I land. For my apartment here guys on the Gold Coast, it makes sense. The suction is strong, the roller mop actually scrubs, the carpet detection worked, and the mat was easy to use, and the base station here takes care of the annoying part after clean. It's still a robot vacuum and mop, so you need to be realistic. I'll still pick up tiny cables, move anything fragile, and do the occasional deeper clean, but for the floors under control day to day, especially with sand constantly coming from the beach, it's exactly the kind of thing I want running in the background. If you've got hard floors, carpets, pets, kids, crumbs, or just a busy life, we don't want to keep dragging out a vacuum and mop, the Lefant M5 Pro is definitely worth looking at. Now guys, I'll leave links in the description below so you can check the current Amazon pricing and any available deals there. If the video helped, hit like, subscribe to MrYouWho, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions about Lefant M5 Pro or any other robot vacuum cleaners. And guys, we also do a lot of work to do real world testing here and real demos, so check out our giveaways, which are giving back to you, but anything you do supports the channel. And again, this is Andy from MrYouWho, who tests it for you, MrYouWho. Real testing, real demos, real reviews, real results. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.